Hey guys, welcome to Nimzy Unmeasured. Today we're going to make a play on the beet and avocado salad at Cheesecake Factory. This salad serves 4 people and it's very easy to make. You just need 2 beets, some arugula, Greek yogurt, or if you want to make it vegan, you can use vegan yogurt, honey, and you can use agave if you want to make it vegan, salt, some olive oil, 1 orange, 2 avocados, and a half a cup of cooked quinoa. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the honey yogurt. So just take your cup of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it. Once that's done, you can just put it to the side and let it sit. Then we're going to heat our pan and add a teaspoon of olive oil. While that's warming up, I'm going to prep the avocado. So I cut the avocado, put it to the side. My pan is hot now. So I'm going to add the quinoa to the pan and lightly toast the quinoa with a little bit of salt. After about 2 minutes, your quinoa is toasted and you can turn off the fire and set it to the side to cool down. Then you're going to peel your orange. So I peeled my orange and divided them in sections, and now I'm just going to slice them so that we get nice orange pieces. And the final step before assembling your salad is just slicing up your beets. And I like to cube them so that they have a nice bite to them. We're going to assemble the salad. So take the yogurt sauce, the honey yogurt sauce that you made, and spread it on your dish. The next step is to spread your oranges, and I like to put half at a time. Then the beets, and then the avocado. And I'm going to repeat until all the oranges, avocados, and beets are finished. Now once you're done that, you can add your washed arugula to the top. Final step is to add your toasted quinoa to the top. and then you're done. The original recipe calls for sliced radishes, but I prefer to leave them out of mine.